Hey America, this is Vince at Creative Rods. We're going to do a walkthrough on the shop, see what's going on. What you got going on, Tyler?
Cleaning out all the factory insulation and mess so I can 415 it.
415. Low rust inhibitor. 66 C10. Professor T.
Trav dog.
Not Trav Dog. Working on a 39 Packard, Collins. '74 Bronco, 36 Ford street rod. '69 Camaro, finish up painting it.
Double layer.
Dang!
Double layer. Oh snap.
There's the boss.
I'm glad you didn't put that on camera.
Get to work!
Hi.
Hi. Happy holidays. Yeah, man,
See ya.
but we only got two of them.